Hello dear friends of Wellness Roots Journey. I am so excited to join you on this journey to discover the secrets of natural health. Tonight, I will share 4 powerful teas that you can drink before bed to help support sharper vision, stronger memory, and promote the deepest healing process at night. Hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss out on the next amazing health journey with Wellness Roots Journey. Most people never think about what happens to their eyes and brain when they close their eyes. But the truth is, the most important healing process of your life happens while you sleep. Your eyes, already stressed by screens, pollution, and aging, enter a vulnerable state every night. Without the right nutrients, this nighttime repair process weakens year after year. Science has discovered that inflammation begins in the retina and optic nerve earlier than we thought, even as early as our 30s. This microscopic inflammation begins to erode the clarity of vision. By your 50s and 60s, it can accelerate into blurry vision, poor night vision, and rapid memory loss. And here's the shocking thing, the inflammation that damages your eyes is the same inflammation that destroys nerve cells in your brain. Your vision and memory are connected by the same biological enemy. While most people try to fight inflammation during the day, the human body is designed to do its deepest healing at night, while we sleep. During sleep, inflammation naturally decreases, antioxidant activity increases, and the brain begins a process called glymphatic clearance. Think of it as a system that literally washes toxins out of neural tissue. Research from the National Institutes of Health, NIH, shows that this cleansing system can increase by up to 60% during deep sleep. But here's the problem, if the body doesn't have the right anti-inflammatory nutrients before bed, this precious window of healing becomes weak, sluggish, and incomplete. Most people never experience the full power of sleep because their bodies enter the night stressed, inflamed, and nutrient depleted. This is where the first tea comes into play, chamomile. Chamomile contains a compound called apigenin. Apigenin is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories for the eyes. Researchers have shown that apigenin directly reduces inflammation in the retina, protecting the optic nerve from oxidative stress. It also activates GABA receptors in the brain, calming the nervous system, helping the body enter deeper stages of sleep, where memory consolidation occurs. The second tea is even more impressive, green tea. Most people drink green tea in the morning, but when consumed in the evening, especially decaffeinated, the Cockins compounds inside start working while you sleep. Cockins are powerful antioxidants. A groundbreaking study has shown that these antioxidants remain active in the eye for up to 20 hours, protecting the lens and macula from degeneration. Imagine going to sleep knowing that your vision is being protected, literally cell by cell. Cockins not only protect the retina, but they also travel through the bloodstream to the brain, where they reduce inflammation in the hippocampus, the memory center. At the same time, green tea boosts nitric oxide, which improves blood flow to the brain. Better blood flow means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to neurons while you sleep, leading to stronger memory formation. Next up is a combination that has neuroscientists awestruck, ginger turmeric tea. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier with surprising sleep-inducing effects. Curcumin reduces inflammatory markers in both the brain and retina at the same time. It even helps prevent the formation of amyloid plaques linked to memory loss and cognitive decline. Once inside, curcumin reduces plaque buildup, aids nerve repair, and improves communication between nerve cells. Not only does it protect memory, it also enhances the ability to think more clearly and recall faster. Meanwhile, ginger increases circulation, helping these compounds reach deeper tissues in the eyes and brain more effectively. And finally, lemon balm, an herb that directly affects the tension in the muscles around your eyes. Every time you stare at your phone, computer screen, or bright LED lights, these muscles contract. Over time, this tension constricts the small blood vessels that nourish your optic nerve. Lemon balm relaxes this tension. Lemon balm not only relaxes the eye muscles, it also increases the levels of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that controls memory, learning, and concentration. When acetylcholine levels decrease, everything suffers, concentration becomes more difficult and short-term memory becomes unreliable. When you drink lemon balm tea at night, your brain becomes more efficient at processing and storing memories, and your eyes are relaxed enough to allow for proper nighttime blood flow. These 4 T's do one thing better than anything else: they create the perfect internal environment for healing while you sleep. They quell inflammation, protect delicate vision cells, increase oxygen and blood flow, and activate the brain's natural detoxification system. They work in concert, reinforcing each other where your body is most vulnerable. The simple truth is, healing doesn't happen during the day, it happens at night. Your body just needs the right tools, compounds, and signals to do what it already knows how to do. You can't protect what you don't nourish. When you introduce these teas into your nightly routine, your body finally gets the support it's been craving. You wake up with clearer eyes because inflammation has decreased overnight. You wake up with improved recall because your brain finally has a chance to store memories without interruption. This is not magic, this is the biology your body was built for. The moment you start feeding your eyes and brain with these scientifically proven compounds, deterioration slows, clarity returns, memory sharpens. Remember, your vision and memory are not separate, they are 2 sides of the same internal story. Start your recovery journey today. Don't forget to like, share this video, and join the Wellness Roots Journey family to discover more wonders of the body.